Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing and showing you guys what is in the Bareminerals 24 Days of Clean Beauty Advent Calendar. This is my first Advent Calendar I have unboxed on my channel this year. I don't really do a ton of them just because I personally feel like they're kind of a waste of money, but this Bareminerals one seemed like it was going to be really good. It is $99 and it has a value of $244, so I'm super excited to see what is in here. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So I just noticed, but it has pretty much everything you get on the back, so you can decide, let's say you're in store, if it is going to be something that you would like or not. But I am not going to look at the back because I do want to be surprised. But it's so cute. It comes like this. It has a little bow on the side. I did try to look online to see where you can get this, and it looks like it might not be available yet on Sephora and Ulta, but I saw on QVC, Macy's, and the Bareminerals website. They sent over a few of their holiday sets as well, which I'm so excited to show you guys. That's going to be in my next, probably my next PR haul or the next couple PR hauls. So let's see what is in this advent calendar. Alright, so first you have to take this part off. Then you have a box, opens up like this, and you have the little book with all the numbers in it. This does say our advent calendar is packed with mini makeup and skincare favorites for a gorgeous holiday season. So pretty much everything might be mini size, which I don't know how I feel about that. I hope there's at least maybe one full size, but maybe it'll be a bunch of really good deluxe sizes. Alright, so number one here, I ripped that right off. This is a LASHTOPIA mascara. So it looks like this is a pretty good size. I don't think it's quite a full size, but it's big. So you get the LASHTOPIA mascara. I've actually been really curious about trying this one from them. It says Mega Volume Mineral Based Mascara. So that was what was in at number one. Alright, number two. I hate when sometimes I can't find them. Oh, here we go. It's this one. So number two had a Complexion Rescue Defense. This is such a cute size. It's the Radiant Protective Veil, it says, with SPF 30. I think this is just a primer. It says apply a pea-sized amount and blend into skin. So I don't know, maybe it's just a SPF, which is definitely something I can use, and it's just so adorable. All right, moving on to number three, which is right here. Let's see. Ooh, looks like we got one of their liquid lipsticks in the shade Boss. I do not own this yet, and I'm very excited about it. Honestly, I just did some decluttering today, and I had to declutter most of my Bareminerals liquid lipsticks because they were expired. I've had them since they launched, which was like, what, like 3 years ago now? But I do love these, so I'm super happy to have this mini. These smell like chocolate. They're so good. So this is Boss. It's like the perfect mauve neutral shade. All right, number four, it looks like it's over here. This is some skincare. We have their Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. I feel like this is like their best seller, but I have heard really good things about that serum. We have number five over here. Ooh, this is their Endless Summer Bronzer in the shade Warmth. It's such a cute size. And I feel like it's called Warmth, but it's actually very cool tone in my opinion. It looks like a really nice color. Number six here. This has a, is this an eyeshadow? Yeah, it says Eyecolor in the shade Nude Beach. So this one is a mineral one, so it is loose. And I'll try to get a good swatch for you guys. It is absolutely beautiful. Wow, this would actually last such a long time. Like, I feel like I don't even need a full size in this. This would, I literally use like a tiny sprinkle of product. Number seven. Ooh, we got a BAREPRO lipstick. I love these, and these are fairly new from their line. They're one of my favorite lipstick formulas. We got the shade, does it say? Ooh, unfortunately, I don't think it says the shade, or at least mine is missing the shade number, but I will swatch it for you. It's one of their neutral ones. It's so pretty. They gave us some really nice shades in this box. So this is just a really nice nude pink. Don't know the shade name, but super happy they included that in here. Number 8 up here. This is a mask from them. It says Gold Mask for all skin types. Let me put a little bit on my hand. Oh, it's so cool. It's literally like a bronzy gold color, if you guys could see that. Oh, I guess I should read the back of this thing because it tells me. The BAREPRO lipstick was in the shade Petal, which is a soft muted rose. And then this gold mask, it says it hydrates with hyaluronic acid. So a nice hydrating mask. All right, number 9 has a mineral veil. This is a really nice size from them. I used to love this stuff just as a setting powder. It's kind of like this, almost has a pink undertone to it powder, but I really like this stuff. It says it sets makeup and blurs the look of pores, and I feel like it really does that. So I'm excited to have another one of these. It's been a while since I've tried this. All right, number 10 over here. We got a prime time from them. I remember these used to be like the thing. This is their original foundation primer. Number 11 has, oh, I just got this in a Ipsy maybe. It's their Dew Mist Setting Spray. It's so cute. So just a nice dewy spray. I'll put some on for you guys. This is something easy I could try on. I love these little mini sizes. They're just like perfect for travel because my setting spray always takes up a ton of room in my makeup bag, but it really did make the skin like really dewy and glowy. So I'm excited for that too. We have number 12. This is a blush maybe? Yes, a blush in the shade Golden Gate. I will swatch this for you guys. Once again, I feel like this would actually last such a long time since it is a loose powder. And of course, it's like the perfect nude pink. Right there. Super pretty. Number 13. Ooh, we got a Gen Nude. I think this is a liquid lipstick as well, or maybe it's a lip gloss. Let me look. This is their Patent Lip Lacquer, which I feel like is a different formula than their other liquid lipstick. I have not tried these yet, but I think they're supposed to be a little bit more like drying, so they're gonna stay on longer. This one's in the shade Everything. Oh, it's actually like a shiny liquid lipstick, so it's more like a thick gloss, in my opinion. I think we're on 14, and we got, ooh, another mascara. This is the Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara. I have not tried this one either, so we got 2 new little mascaras to try. That one was a pretty good size as well. 15, where are you? Here we go. We got another loose powder, and this is a blush, again, in the shade Hint. This one looks so pretty. I'll show you. Oh my gosh. It is like this really pretty light icy pink shade. You could almost use that as a highlighter in my opinion, but so gorgeous. All right, I think we are on 16, and we got, this is a eye color in Queen Tiffany. This looks amazing, by the way. Look at this color. Absolutely stunning. It's kind of like a bronzy with hints of purple in it. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to try these shadows. They're just so pigmented. 17 has a highlighter in the shade Free, and this is their Endless Glow highlighter. This shade is kind of a golden tone, a light gold down here. Sorry, my hand's like full of swatches right now. It's actually really pretty. So that was in the shade Free. 19. We have, looks like another eyeshadow. Yes, an eye color in the shade Heart. Now this one definitely has a lot of purple tones in it. So beautiful though. Here it is on the side. It's a little bit lighter, but these colors just amaze me how beautiful they look. Number 20, I think we are on. I skipped 18, I think. Yeah, I think I skipped 18. Sorry guys. 18. This is a Buttercream lip gloss in the shade Heartbreaker, which it looks like that right here. Very nice mauve neutral. Well, I hope I didn't skip any more. Let's go to number 20. Ooh, this is so cute. It's a mini Gen Nude blush. This is adorable. It's like half the size of a full size. I love the Gen Nude blushes. This one's in the shade Pink Me Up. This is so creamy, smooth. This is Pink Me Up down here. Very pretty. I feel like I will wear literally all of these colors. They're so beautiful. All right, 21. This is another Gen Nude liquid lipstick in the shade Swank, which is a little bit deeper. I'm running out of room to swatch here. Let's do it on my hand. That is so pretty for fall. I'm glad they did include a deeper one because I was like, oh, these are like so neutral, but this one looks like it's going to be really fun as well. All right, I think we're on 22 now, and we got a lip gloss, I think. This is a MOXIE Plumping lip gloss in the shade Rebel. These are a little bit more sheer, so you guys can see right there on the side. It's a very light pinky peach. And these MOXIE glosses smell like mint chocolate. It's so good. Okay, what are we on? I keep forgetting. 23, I think, maybe? 23 has, ooh, a bronzer in the shade Faux Tan. I remember that was like my first Bareminerals product that I bought in store because it had like a red base to it, and all of the Bareminerals workers were like, yes, like it's the best ever. I'm excited to have this again. Let me swatch this. I feel like it's different than I remember though, because I swear it had more of a red base to it, but this one just looks like a normal bronzer. But it is really pretty, nice color, so I'll definitely use it. And then I think we are on the very last one, which is number 24. And we got, this is a MOXIE lip gloss in the shade 24 Karat. It is this beautiful sparkly lip gloss, which is probably perfect for Christmas Eve if you were really unboxing this like normal. It's really pretty. And let's see if you can actually see it. Yeah, it has a tiny bit of a yellowish base with the gold sparkle on the bottom. So that is everything I got in this really fun Bareminerals advent calendar. Let's go over my thoughts. So we did get all minis, which is kind of disappointing just because it's kind of nice if you throw in at least like a couple full-size products. Like put a full size for the 24th, maybe the 23rd, just because, I don't know, to really get that value, I think you need at least 2 full sizes. Since it is $99, it's basically $100 for this thing, but you do get a lot of good stuff, I will say. They sent all neutral shades. They didn't send just like crap products that aren't selling, which is good. They sent out like some of their best selling colors. So we have tons of neutrals, as you can see from all these swatches. I will definitely get a lot of use out of these. I personally love minis because I can never use up full sizes. So I do think this could be a fun gift to give for someone because I feel like a lot of people could wear these shades. They included a lot of nice colors. Or if you just are wanting to try out Bareminerals and want to get some of their best products, this is a good way to do that because this set pretty much includes everything. And a lot of the sizes were pretty decent. Not full size, but we got like good deluxe sizes. So that's kind of my thoughts on this advent calendar. It was so much fun to unbox this with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. And I'm thinking about getting another advent calendar to actually open for Christmas during December for my vlog. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions of ones that you think are good. I would love to know. Maybe I'll pick one up. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.